Hello everyone, today's specimen is MSD99, or the fossilized dung of Myotrigus bulyricus, otherwise known as the Bulerian mouse goat. Now, Bulerian mouse goats are kind of an interesting animal when you look at them. They're an extinct animal, so we don't have any alive today, but we see kind of a large fossil record of them from what we call the Bulerian Islands, which are these islands off the coast of kind of Spain in the Mediterranean Sea. Now, this species in particular is kind of interesting because they're a little bit smaller than some of the other species we see. So they're a great example of something that's known as insular dwarfism, or basically a phenomenon we see where sometimes when you take an animal and put it on an island, over time, through successive generations, that animal gets smaller and smaller. What's also interesting about this animal is that they have binocular vision. Basically, both of their eyes face forward, which is a little bit unusual for animals, like including like things like ungulates, so like things like cows and bovids, things like that. Now, what's really cool too is when we look at their diet based off their coprolites, we see that they're browsers and grazers, so they're eating lots of plants. But one of the things they're eating is actually a plant called a boxwood, which are actually kind of toxic. They have alkaloids in them, so like with modern variants of this species, they actually can cause what we call contact dermatitis, basically the same type of rash you'd get from poison ivy. So it's probable that these guys had some kind of adaptation that was good for basically making sure that they weren't going to get sick while eating it.